morning we've had an absolutely unbelievable time with the Nhlanguleni female. We popped past her den and she was here with one of her cubs. Sadly, I think the other cub may have been killed by a hyena, and so it's just the one left. But she hopped up onto a boulder there. The cub then came scrambling up to join her, and they played around up on top there, which was just a sensational view. As we were getting ready to pack up and go, she hopped off. The cub went running back into the den. She's walked off to the distance, and a herd of elephants had just come through the area. One of the larger ones coming up on top of the boulders up there as well. Not only have we had a leopard and cub up there, we've also had an elephant up there this morning. The rest of them all moving on here. As we were sitting here marvelling at the fact that there was an elephant up here, she just popped out on the road in front of us. The elephant then came down, chased her off. now she's just returned. She's back in there with the cub. And great to see that at least this one cub is doing very well. And there's no better way to spend a morning than with a leopard and a cub and then a herd of elephants. So if you've enjoyed this virtual safari, it really helps us out if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, give this video a like, leave a comment below. That all helps with the algorithms and recommending these videos for other people that are interested in wildlife. So we're probably going to leave now. This elephant's coming down the other side there. The rest of them are all moving on, so we're going to mosey back to camp and settle in for the day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week.